Welcome to this tutorial on activating CDXS in Tally Prime. Follow these steps carefully to complete the activation process. First, open your company in Tally Prime. Go to the Help menu in the top right corner, select TDLs and Add-ons, and then click on Add-on Features. Here, you will see the option Enable CDXS Integration. Set this option to Yes. Configuration window will appear. To activate the user, enable the first option, Edit User Details and Activate. Select Yes. In the User Activation Details window, enter all the required information. Please note, all fields are mandatory. Next, click Activate User at the top right corner. A confirmation pop-up will appear, activate user with given details, yes or no. Select yes. Then, click Request User OTP at the top right corner. When prompted, select yes to request the OTP. For a first-time activation, the OTP will be sent to the partner email ID. For subsequent activations, it will be sent to the user email ID. Once you receive the OTP, click Validate OTP, enter the code, and confirm. The system will display activated. Now, return to the main configuration window. Select Edit Upload Voucher Types and set it to Yes. In the CDXS Upload Types list, choose the transactions you wish to upload. These include credit note, debit note, delivery note, purchase order, and sales. For each transaction, set the following options: Upload on creation, yes. Upload on alteration, no. Confirm before sending, no. Send outstanding in invoice, yes. Send payment terms in invoice, yes. Send bank details in invoice, yes. Attach PDF in Automail, yes. Send document on WhatsApp, yes. Payment UPI ID in nil. Bank account, not applicable. Repeat these settings for all selected transactions. Select Edit Download Voucher Types and set it to Yes. For each transaction, configure the tax-wise tax ledger and item accounting allocation as follows. Tax percentage, any. Inventory ledger, select the ledger from the list. CGST ledger, CGST. SGST ledger, SGST. IGST ledger, IGST. CES ledger, CES. Ledger names can be customized according to customer preference and may vary for each transaction. Repeat for all transactions. Finally, enable all VAS Marketplace options by setting them to Yes. Enable VAS Marketplace. Enable SKU Upload. Upload SKU on saving. Upload SKU price list. Upload SKU stock balances. Your CDXS activation is now complete. Thank you for following along.